All right, sports fans, this is your briefing for the February 11th, 2017 hike to Wadi Og. We'll be covering the difficulty of the hike, the must-bring items, departure times, and weather considerations during this video. And not necessarily in that order because I don't remember that well. And that's why I am doing this video, so that we all can remember the things we need to remember. Anyway, difficulty of the hike shouldn't be too bad. It's considered a family suitable hike. It does have some difficult technical spots with ladders from 7 to 9 meters of height. And we're going to be starting here near Almog. This is Jericho up here on the map. And then we're going to be hiking this trail that I'm tracing right now, Nahal Og, and up to our car, which we're going to place somewhere around here. We're in the situation that we have 5 participants in 2 cars, so gas money at the moment should be around 15 to 20 shekels, but that is still to be settled. What you should bring for this hike are the following items: closed shoes, 3 liters of water, preferably hydration system, but bottles are also acceptable. You should bring your own snacks, your own lunch, and you should be sure to eat breakfast before you leave with us on the hike. Which brings me to the departure time. I would like to leave Jerusalem at 8 a.m. and that will give us a finish time at around 1 p.m. In the afternoon, give or take an hour or two. Or just an hour. I don't think it'll last longer than that. A nice option for people to consider is whether they want to visit Jericho at the end of the hike, since we're so close. The final thing to consider is the weather, and we really don't know how much it's going to rain on Saturday, but right now the weather forecast looks all right. It just looks like local scattered showers, which you can see here. That's Saturday right there. However, our backup plan is to go to Tekoa and see one of the largest caves in Israel, or the largest cave in Israel if it rains. So you should also have flashlights ready. You should have flashlights on any hike. You never know where you might end up and how long it may take. But as I said, I expect us to finish well before dark. Good. All right. So the departure point should be at Sokolov, where Essie lives. I'm not sure of Mara's address yet, so we'll figure out where it's best for her to meet us. Finally, we have the emergency numbers, and I'm going to put them on the screen here, I guess. And that's pretty much it. We need to coordinate a little bit more, but it's a half-day hike, and you just need to bring the basics and yourselves and make sure that you're not hungry and that you don't get hungry. And we'll see about the remaining items later on the WhatsApp group. All right, cheers, mates.